Alright, so my air compressor is kind of noisy, but less noisy than the engine. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up under and we're going to see what air leaks we have. I don't know if the air leaks are, if the compressor's going to be able to build up pressure and stop, or if our air leaks are bad enough that it's not going to build pressure and it's going to keep running. So hopefully y'all can hear me okay. I've got a bottle of soapy water and we're going to start spraying and see if we can tell where we're leaking. And I think we're going to go up under the passenger side. I can hear, or the driver's side, I can hear air leaking. And so I don't know where it's leaking, but we're going to try to figure that out. Hopefully I can get up under here with the creeper. I hear air. We probably got a lot of leaks. But we got a lot of air lines right over here. Let's I hear air over here. Unfortunately, I don't know if all these are air lines or I don't know. We're just gonna spray and see if we get any leaks anywhere. I think we're leaking further forward. So let me, I don't know if those are airlines or not. We got a divider here. Let's go over here. I assumed that this thing would have 2 air tanks on it, but I haven't found a second tank. Alright, let's hey, oh, we got a leak here. Here it is, towards the front. Unless I'm hearing the compressor. I mean, I wouldn't think any air, unless the foot valve's leaking. I wouldn't think any air should be going forward here. I don't see anything. Yeah, so far not too bad under here. I haven't found any. Well, that might be a leak right there. Just spray. There's the air line right there. We're just gonna spray it. I can't see everything, so we're just spraying. Yeah, this valve here, I don't know if these are regulators. Probably are. It looks like they're leaky. That's really the only leak I've found so far other than that. Let's go check around the foot valve. That's most of it. We'll check, I guess real quick, we'll check the back, but I think I'll go around on the other side and do it. Alright, this is some of the loudest air leaks I've heard. Now this thing is what we repaired last time. It looks like it's holding. Aha! Might just need to tighten down on that line. Yeah, it's definitely leaking really bad. Good thing is, that seems like it's holding. I'll check all around this because I had some of these lines off. Yeah, that's a bad leak there. We might just be able to tighten that. That's probably the majority of the leak. We got a little bit of a leak here. Yeah, I'm going to tighten that down. Maybe that leak will stop. That's the majority of it. The rest of it's smaller leaks. Alright, let me work on that one. Yeah, it's slowed, but it's still leaking a little, and I really don't want to tighten down on it more. It's really tight, and so it's not hissing, but it's enough to blow bubbles. So we're definitely gonna have to address that. I'll probably have to undo that line and mess with it. I may have to cut that line off or replace that line or something. Cut it off and try to redo it or replace it or something. But for right now, it's better. So I'm just gonna kind of use the video to keep track of where our leaks are. We're gonna come over here and spray. All these valves are probably gonna have to be rebuilt. So many components to these air brakes, but if they were hydraulic brakes, we'd probably be into this a lot more money trying to get them to work. So I think we're blessed that this thing has air brakes. Parts for air brakes are pretty cheap. All right, let's go check the foot valve, and then we're gonna call that good for now. We kind of got an idea of what's leaking, and slowing that one down definitely has helped. So let me open up the hood and we'll check the foot valve. All right, so that's the foot valve, and I don't know what these, oh, these I think go to the front grill, and it's got like a thermostat or something for cold weather. This little exhaust port on it. So far it looks good. We're gonna have to replace some air lines, but for now we're just checking, see which ones are leaking, if any. All this looks pretty good. Again, this is just soapy water, dish soap and water. Looks pretty good. So let's check the front air lines. We're seeping just a little on that top line. I'd be scared to mess with it, to try to tighten it to get that out of it. I forget what there's a standard, you know, so many PSI over a minute or 10 minutes or whatever of air loss is acceptable. And so that's kind of what we're gonna shoot for, is if I mess with that fitting right there, because it's pretty rusty, things are probably just gonna get worse. So that'll probably be one we just ignore for now and hit the bigger leaks. All right, let's go up under here. Now this probably does not have air going to it right now. We may have to actuate the front brakes and then check it. Most likely it does not. It should not. So I'll have to check that when I actuate the front brakes. All right, I think that's got it. I don't hear anything hissing now. That back line was what was hissing. So I think that was the big leak. And I'm gonna have to address that line back there. Figure out why it's leaking, take it off. I'll drain the air on the tank and then drain the air on the tank and take that line off and inspect it, see if I just need to clean it, maybe a dirty connection or what, or if it's got a crack in it. Let's see. Blow out some trash. There's no air in the line, or no water in the line, in the tank. Yeah, that one does not want to seal. I'll get my channel locks, see if I can tighten it down just a little bit, make it stop. Well, the more I mess with it, the worse it gets, so we're gonna have to stop messing with that one and let it be, I guess. And I'll have to replace that one. I wonder if that one wouldn't seal up. I could clean it out and it might would seal. Who knows? Might try it. I took it out of a extra air tank I had, little portable air compressor that I made years ago that I haven't used in years. So I just pulled that out and pulled that one out, and it's not leaking. Now you get vice grips on this thing to get it out because it was rounding off with a wrench. So, on to the next thing. I'll address that line back there another day, but for now, I at least got that leak fixed. That one was bugging me. I knew I could fix that one quick, and we should be in better shape than we were, at least. So, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more.